Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get tattoos on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and you need to choose where you want to put your tattoos on. For example, I'm going to put tattoos on my hands, so I'm going to wear this sleeves. Okay, and we can go to the pattern and then you can select this pattern to get tattoos for your model, and you can choose the color which is suitable to your skin color. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one, and I'm going to put tattoos on my legs as well. Oops, sorry, I picked the wrong item. Okay, we can use this stocking, right? And you can apply this pattern as well, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create tattoos on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.